Here's a quick overview of how to adjust your settings. To access the Settings menu for your TalkTalk mail account, click here and select Settings. Your basic settings allow you to change your time zone, set how often your inbox refreshes with new emails, and choose your automatic sign-out time frame. To update your contact information, click on My Contact Data. Make your changes and then click Save. Open your mail settings to find options for sending and receiving emails. Holiday Notice lets you create auto-reply messages for when you're on holiday. Auto Forward lets you assign an email address for incoming mail to be sent to. Filter rules let you decide what you see. And signatures let you add a quick sign-off to the end of your emails. To enable an auto-reply, click on Holiday Notice. Type your message in the box and choose either Enable to turn it on straight away or Send Holiday Notice during this time only to select a start and end date. To add a signature to your outgoing emails, click on Signatures. Click Add New Signature, fill in the details and click Save. You can also select default signatures for new messages, replies and forwards. You can find additional settings for your address book, calendar and tasks here. For more help with this or anything else, just visit talktalk.co.uk/help.